Hi, I'm Keith Butcher, General Manager of Princeton Public Utilities. Today we will be discussing our water towers, and joining me will be Scott Daniels, Water Superintendent. Scott, so why would a community even have to have water towers, and why have them in an elevated design?
The purpose of having towers is to give us capacity so a well isn't starting and stopping every time someone turns a faucet on. The purpose of elevating it is what gives the city the pressure that they have when they open and close a faucet. We run somewhere between 48 and 52 pounds of water pressure, and that is due to the height of the water tower.
Oh, okay, so they're designed at that height, for specifically this height?
Yes, for the pressure that we wanted.
Within the system?
Within the system.
And that's just so that the faucets run, so that the fire sprinklers operate when needed, so that water's getting to where it needs to be?
Yep, it gives us consistent pressure.
Okay.
So if we had have built the water tower taller, we'd have had more pressure, or if we would have went shorter, we'd have had less pressure.
Okay. And that pressure is very important even for the fire hydrants, which we maintain in town.
Yep, for fire flow.
So that if anybody ever has to open that up to fight a fire in an emergency, the water will be flowing because of that pressure.
Correct. That is another reason that we wanted the capacity that we have with 3 towers. We can continually let the fire department pull off of a hydrant and still supply town with water.
And what's the capacity of each water tower?
Each water tower is a little different. The south tower is 300,000 gallons. The middle water tower is 275,000 gallons, and the north is 250,000 gallons. Being that we have 3 water towers in town, all 3 water towers are tied together. So no one home pulls off one certain tower. Everybody shares the 3 water towers. With the combination of water that we have in the towers, we could feed town for pretty much a day, even if we never ran a well.
Yeah, and all the water towers, like you said, are interconnected within the system.
Yes.
And they all communicate through the SCADA system with the water treatment plants.
Yes.
So everything stays in balance.
Correct.
Every hour of the day.
Yep, and we monitor that on the SCADA system. We know what the pressure is and what the water level is in each tower and temperature.
Okay, so if there's ever variations within the community, we can use the water towers to try to help stabilize everything if we need to.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then I noticed driving around town, each one has a different logo on it. This one just says Princeton, but the other 2 look different. Can you explain the background on those?
Yes, the south tower, it was built in 1993, and at that time they had saved quite a bit of money on that tower when they bought it, and they decided to do a contest, a drawing contest, and the winner would have that logo painted on the tower.
Okay. Looks very nice when you're driving down 169 and you see the community. Very nice. What about the middle water tower?
The middle tower, we decided to do something for the community, so we opted to use a tiger to support the community and our kids.
Wonderful. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this informative, and please join us for our next video.